Alright, here we have a package that was in my office. I had one of the people at the office open it up for me, let me know what it was. The customer sent this dashboard, sent the ignition. So basically we're going to make a key from scratch to this. We're going to go ahead and do the special programming to get the key to start the bike, which y'all know this wire here actually is the antenna that looks for the chip. So we'll go ahead and make the key now. Here's something y'all don't know. Some of y'all may call around, get prices, and go with the cheapest person out there. Yeah, I understand it's about finances, but some of y'all don't realize some of the guys, they may take your ignition apart, they may take the wafers out of it, and at that point any key might turn it. So keep that in mind. If you want, stick a blank key in there. You stick something there, see if it turns. If it turns, that means somebody stripped out your ignition. I don't do that. I figure out what the existing key is. I take my time with these type of jobs. Been doing this for a long time. So, you know, also keep in mind, if someone messes up your dashboard, you're looking at what? I think the dealer wants around what? $3,000 to do the job? So, if it's a difference of $100 or $200, why not get the job done right? Because after that, you're going to be looking at big money. Yes, we do it at a fraction of the cost. And we're going to do it right. So I'll come back with the key made from scratch, 2 chips programmed, and get ready to send this thing back. So basically, I'm going to use these keys because this is the high security version. So it uses the high security key. I'm going to use these keys for it. I'll come back with these cut and chips inserted. Let me see if I can open it up. Or maybe I'll show y'all in the next video. Maybe I'll show y'all one of the keys still open before I seal it up with the chip. But I'll come back with the keys working. Alright, we're back. We made 2 keys from scratch. I don't know if you can see how it's cut. This one's cut, and I have the chip inside of it. So there's a chip right there. I haven't sealed that one up. This is sealed. Here you go. Watch the steering wheel lock, pop out. I know some of y'all may have sent your locks away and had keys made to it, and all you can do is turn the bike on and off, and you can't lock your steering wheel. That means you don't have a complete key. So word of advice, just be very careful who you send your stuff to have do the work, because it may be cheap, but in the end you might end up getting burnt. And you see, I keep a bag of these keys. I usually keep about 20 on standby just for doing this type of work. I get a lot of these packages coming in. Here's the old style key. I still keep a bunch of them too. So basically I'm prepared for these type jobs. I'm geared up. Been doing this a little over 20 years. So if you need our help, you know, just give us a call. We'll tell you what to send us, and we can do everything through the mail and take care of you. And that's about it. Thank you all. Go to the website www.acmlocksmithgroup.com.